Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Jimmy Dean's pancake and sausage on a stick in the air fryer. So let's open the air fryer basket, and I'll open the package of Jimmy Dean's pancake and sausage on a stick, and I'm going to cook 4 at a time so they fit in a single layer. So now let's open each individual packet of pancake and sausage on a stick and put it in the air fryer basket. So I added them in a single layer. Now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And it'll set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this pancake and sausage on a stick. They look so good. And the house smells amazing too. As they cook, it smells so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Now I'm going to remove them from the air fryer. Just carefully take them out by the stick. Look at that, so good. And now let's try them. I am so excited. They're so crunchy, perfectly crispy on the outside. Now let's see what's inside. So delicious, perfectly cooked and juicy on the inside. Look at that. This is so good. You're going to love cooking pancake and sausage on a stick in the air fryer. This method is perfect. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!